Myth: Vikings wore horned helmets. They didn't. Those horns came from 19th century opera costumes. Real Viking helmets were practical, horn-free. Myth: Columbus proved the Earth is round. Scholars already knew. The debate was about the Earth's size. Columbus guessed small and lucked into the Caribbean. Myth: Medieval people thought the Earth was flat. Most educated Europeans knew it was spherical, thanks to ancient Greek science and church scholars. Myth: Marie Antoinette said, "Let them eat cake." No reliable source. The quote predates her and was likely political slander. Myth: Witches in Salem were burned at the stake. In 1692, Salem, most were hanged. One man was pressed to death. Burning was more common in parts of Europe, not New England. Myth: The Great Wall of China is visible from space with the naked eye. Not really. It's too narrow and blends with the landscape. Cities, roads, airports are easier to spot. Myth: Cleopatra was Egyptian. She ruled Egypt, but her ancestry was Macedonian Greek. She descended from Ptolemy, Alexander the Great's general. Myth: Ancient Romans constantly indulged in vomitoriums. A vomitorium is an exit passage in amphitheaters, not a purge room. The name is about crowds spewing out. Myth: Chastity belts locked up medieval women. Most examples are Renaissance fakes or later tourist traps. There's no solid medieval evidence of widespread use. Myth: The Black Death came from bad air. It was primarily Yersinia pestis, spread by fleas and rats. Though airflow did influence how people encountered carriers. Here's the pattern. Catchy stories survive. Messy facts get lost. I love popping these bubbles because real history is already wild enough. Got a myth you want me to check? Drop it below. I'm ready.